Good afternoon, and thank you for logging on to your Northwest Florida QuickCast for July 3rd, 2017. I'm meteorologist Cameron Young. I know you have those 4th of July plans trying to get outdoors, either shoot off some fireworks or go to the beach. Well, the weather is actually going to cooperate for once. The whole month of July, we saw the rain. We're turning off the faucet and turning the furnace on. It's going to be very summer-like over the next couple of days, with some small rain chances in the forecast, mainly later this week and into the weekend. And we are watching one system out in the tropics, Invest 94L. I'll talk about that in just a little bit. But first, our future radar from the HRRR, courtesy of the Call of Duty page, shows absolutely nothing across Northwest Florida, which is really good news for those outdoor plans. So it's just going to be warm and humid, but the chance of rain is really small, less than 10% across the area, with partly cloudy skies this evening. Temperatures will be falling from near 90 around 6 o'clock, back down to the mid 80s by around 9 o'clock, but we don't fall too much further from there. We fall into the mid 70s inland to the upper 70s and lower 80s along the coast. Again, a small chance of rain tonight, but it will be very humid with those overnight lows well into the 70s and even the 80s at the beaches. Tomorrow, very hot, very humid, and just a small chance of an afternoon shower. Highs will be in the mid 90s inland, maybe some upper 90s, especially further to the east, like areas like Mariana and Sneads and Grand Ridge. You may see temperatures closer to the upper 90s. Along the coast, generally around 90 to the lower 90s if you're just inland from the coast. But very small rain chance, so a great day to get out to the beach. Just make sure A, you have that sunscreen and apply and reapply as necessary. And also stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water. Make sure you get in the shade as much as you can. So I recommend the beach umbrella tomorrow. Highs along the beaches will be near 90, but a very small chance of rain at only 10%. In the tropics, here's Invest 94L way out there in the Atlantic. Still about 5 days away from impacting any land. 70% chance of developing, and if it does develop, the next name on the list is Dawn. We already had Cindy, which was our rainmaker last week, so now we are on the 4th name storm. If this does get a name, it will have the name Dawn. During the next 7 days, not much to worry about in our forecast. The next 3 days have a small chance of rain at 20% or less, and then it climbs a little bit to 30 to 40% this weekend, but really that's about seasonable for this time of year. Highs will be in the mid to low 90s inland, right around 90 along the coast. Lows will stay though in those sultry 70s and maybe even the 80s right along the beaches. I'm meteorologist Cameron Young. Thank you for logging on to your Northwest Florida QuickCast, and I hope you have a fantastic day.